Hey everybody, this is Micah Weber. I just wanted to show you real quick how you can easily and quickly add natural looking sun rays, sunlight coming through a window source. Here I can just adjust the amount of surface area that I want to use to have sun come through. Once you nail a position and even a starting point, you can change direction like so. And there's other things you can do like texture and contrast and brightness. Also the length as well, so you can go shorter here, a little longer. And you can also change the warmth or coolness of it. So if it's a sunset, maybe go a little bit warmer. And you can also change to any other color that you might want. But this is a simple and easy way to add sunlight to a photograph where you want to create a source of sunlight.